Well, I haven't built one of these distributors in a very long time. It's been like 25 years. Well, probably not 25. Yeah, shit. Somewhere around there. Fuck yeah, I'm old. So 24, 25 years, somewhere around there. Chevrolet pickup truck was having an issue in here and stuff like that. And I took one out of a Corvette, a distributor out of a Corvette, and the distributor out of the pickup truck, and rebuilt it like this and put it all together, and the pickup truck ran like a rake tape. So I'm hoping this does. Alright, as you see in the video, got this thing spinning good. It spun, but it was just a little you know what I'm saying? And it probably would have lubed itself up once it got, oil got inside there, but I just didn't want to take a chance for, anything freaky. So I just went ahead and took it apart, cleaned it up, and that's working good. And then I cleaned all these little prongs up in here too and stuff. But then I was like, what am I gonna do for the cap and stuff? Because we got, yuck, And then I went in there and stuff like that to the V6 stuff, and popped off a V6 cap, and it's got a new rotor, which does it fit? I don't know if, will the V6 stuff work? Well, yeah, that works. Okay, so that's that. So cool, we got a new cap, or a new rotor, sorry. Don't have a new cap, but I think I can clean one of these other ones up. And then this right here is the money one right here. And it looks brand new. So we're going to take this one off and put it on here. And I've never done this before. And this does look a little too narrow. So I don't know if this will work. But the cap will. Alright guys, what's going on? Alright. Put the distributor in there. Didn't feel like y'all needed it. There's 1,001 videos about how to stick a distributor in there and stuff like that. Now, I have never done this on a Camaro, and I've only did it one time 20 years ago. Looked a little bit online to just kind of refresh my memory and stuff like that, but there really ain't shit on there. So, let's see if I got it right. I finally got the plug wires going, and let's see if it runs. Okay. A little bit more. Back this way. Alright then. That works. Awesome. Holy shit. I'm tickled to death. Guys, I can't believe successfully did it. And I'm going to tell you what, guys. Like I said, I stepped off into Dodge products, even though I didn't want to, there for a long time and everything, working on them. And then after I got out of that stuff, I was pretty much mainly into Fords, a little bit of Chevrolets and stuff. But I never really got into all the, you know, how easy is this to change, how easy. That was easy. That was way easy. A 5-year-old could do that at home. Like, literally, I was surprised that I got it on the first try. I really was and everything, but technically and stuff like that, that was easy. There is no sense going down to the auto parts store, and I think the cheapest distributor they had that was the Vacuum Advanced was almost $300. You can go pick up one of these distributors in any damn junkyard for what, 20, 30 bucks? And it's one wire. Love it. I mean, ready? One time. Now I will tell you that the timing marks are completely off. Way off. I don't know why that is, but when I tried to set the timing to where the timing marks are to that distributor, it said no. So I do it by ear, and woo, that thing is pain now. Alright. I think we're going to get this on the road here in the next week. I do want to get a steering wheel actual pulley puller and put back on. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the steering wheel back on by the way I was getting it off. So I need to get one of those. I thought that it was the exhaust back there in the back where it connects, where it's making all that popping. No, it's right here where it bolts up to the damn exhaust manifold is where the exhaust leak is. So I'm gonna jack it up and find out what the hell that's going on. But big shout out. I mean, I couldn't give you any more of a big shout out to Michael Kelly, Jack's Performance down there in Texas. I used his distributor, and then Jim Roberts. Alright, don't shoot me. I'm shitty in names. Really am. Let's just say Jim. Thank you for the burlap sack. My girlfriend's stepdad. Thank you for the burlap sack of distributors. That really helped. All the parts in there went onto that distributor perfectly. New cap, new rotor, new everything on the inside. Fires up perfectly. So thank you guys and stuff like that for really helping me, because I don't have the money right now to be spending on that. My girlfriend actually starts her chemotherapy here Friday, actually tomorrow. So I really do appreciate it, guys. Let's hear this motherfucker one more time. I'm just tickled to shit. I mean, there really ain't no YouTube videos that give this justice. They're just not. That's just beautiful. That is just absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I catch y'all on the next one.